Namaste, everyone. Today we are going to talk about something that sounds magical but is deeply scientific: quantum jumping. A leap from the life you have to the life you desire in just awareness and intention. Quantum jumping means shifting your reality, not slowly but in a jump, just like electrons do. 1 second they are here, and in the next moment, gone, reappeared in a higher state. No ladder, no steps, just a leap. If electrons can jump between energy levels, why not us? Why can't your identity, your mindset, your destiny shift instantly? Quantum physics says reality is not solid, it's waves of possibilities. You are not fixed. You are a probability field. You are energy. You are vibrations. When your vibration changes, your reality must follow, like an echo. The echo always matches the voice. Reality always matches your frequency. I'll give you 3 steps to shift instantly. First, identify the next level version of you. Not tomorrow, now. See her clearly, like a movie. Second, match her frequency. Change your posture. Breathe like her, smile like her. The body must become the future before the future arrives. Third, act as if it's already true. Not hoping, not wishing, being. Speak your goals in the present tense. I am abundant. I am powerful. I am already there. You are not limited by the past. Reality is bendable. You don't walk into your future, you jump to it. So today, decide. Not the small version of you, but the quantum shifted you. Because your next reality is waiting, right on the other side of your courage. Take the leap. The universe will catch you.